How to make your own audio on Roblox mobile. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your Roblox app, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on the three dots at the below right corner, and from here scroll a little bit down till you find the create button. So click on it and it's gonna open up a new window for you, and it's gonna direct you to the create, or the creator website. So what you're gonna do here, I'm gonna just click at the three bars at the top left, and from here you're gonna see multiple options. Just go ahead and click creation, and here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into experience, events, and avatar items, and you're gonna see development items. So I'm gonna click on it, and from here you're gonna see model and packages, plugins, and audio. So I'm gonna just go ahead to the audio, and from here just go ahead into uploading your asset right here by clicking upload right here. Okay, and just select the type of asset. If it was audio, we're gonna just keep it on audio, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna use your own recording app, so you can upload that audio to your Roblox. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.